What is the utility of these pictures? Actually, a lot of time you will face a situation where you need to insert the pictures. For example, you are preparing one employee ID, and here even for easy to remind, you may uh, attach the picture of the employee within the field. Otherwise, a lot of time you will face, for example, those who are from marketing field, with the product within price list, the sample of the product, photo of the product is attached. So how it will be placed within the picture, within the Excel sheet. So for inserting any picture, you have to go insert tab. From there, you have to select pictures. From pictures, from different sources, you can select pictures. For example, if you have any pictures on your device, mean on your computer, then definitely you have to select picture from this device, this option, first one. If you have pictures on your PC, then after that, from one directory, you have to choose. You have to choose any picture, and then you have to insert. For example, any random thing we are taking. There is, I think there is, yes, here some pictures maybe. Yes, I am taking in randomly. We are taking one pictures. For example, this one, this one we are taking. Okay, these two pictures have come here. We can resize it. This is very much larger, so we have to resize. How to resize? In case of resize, there is two thing I would like to tell. Two important thing. If you resize the picture by pulling this side, sorry, middle point, if you pull in this way, then picture will be larger towards one single side. But if you want to resize the picture equally, then you have to pull the any dot of the corners. Four corners are here available. You may pull, then size will be equally enlarged. Otherwise, if you pull by pressing one side, then only one-sided one side will be larger. And in case of small picture, the picture will be fade. And if picture is large and high quality, the high quality picture resolution is, if it is, then there is no problem. So anyway, we are just inserting picture, and here one thing we are deleting. And now within the picture, you may work a lot of things. If you click on picture, if you don't click on picture, then there is no any extra additional tab. But if you click on picture, see, one additional tab has been created by default. What is the utility of this? Picture can be edited. This picture format is completely dedicated to edit this picture. So if you want to give one artistic look to make your presentation attentive, then this picture format will be used. Here, in this picture format, for example, you are taking one decision to remove some of the portion. So what you need to do, you need to go to remove background. Here, mark areas to keep. If you want to keep the marked area, means in other words, if you want to mark the area which will be kept, then you have to press mark areas to keep. Then you have to mark the area. For example, we are marking this area. In this way, I am just taking one to make the fact understandable. I am just taking it, and then go to keep changes. Then see, the marked area has been kept, but here something as randomly we are taking. What background is not available. Just a minute. Which have background, we have to take the picture. Then insert one picture. Okay, online device, from online we are taking. This picture we are taking. Okay. And let us try to make it. Let us try to remove the background. Actually, it will not happen as it is possible on CorelDRAW or any Photoshop software, but although one feature has been added in Excel. If you mark the area, for example, we are marking this area. We are marking this area and keep changes. See, selected, apart from selected area, everything has been erased. Are you getting it? So yes. By this option, background can be erased. But carefully, we have to select the area. Randomly for learning, we have just showing the function of the key. So this is the fact. Others, some of the work artistic effect, if you want to give one artistic effect, then as per your choice, you may give. And also one thing I'd like to tell, if you want to add any frame, then you may use choose from this portion, picture style. And in case of picture border, you can give from here, picture border. Everything has been well written. By observing the words, we can get it. And by right click, if you want to change the picture, then you have to go format picture. If you want to customize the picture, customize means you can do shadow effect on picture. You can use reflection, glowing if you want to get the picture with glowing view. and 3D rotation, 3D formats, artistic effect, and softness if you want to increase. For example, glowing. In case of glowing, you may select the glowing style. Here a lot of the options are available. You can select it. Then picture is glowing. And 3D format means you may means actually position. What will be the look? You can select from here. Shadow transparency, if you want to make the shadow transparent, then you can use this transparency. And size can be resized, shadow can be used. You can make it larger or whatever. Blur, if you want to do, shadow will be blur quite. In this way, you can distance also you can manage from here in case of shadow. And picture border, picture effects. From picture effect, you can give different look of the pictures, and pictures position styles can be changed from here. From here, you can select the position or as per your requirement. You may do if you want to put in this way, then also you can use. And if you want to, now let us come. If you want to add any text box, then what you need to do, you have to go shapes. Under shapes, you need to select text box and you may put it here. So you have to also, what you need to do, go to format shapes, or you can select, sorry, from here, format shapes and shapes effect. From shapes effect, you can rotate it as it is fixed. As per the picture, you can place. Both are both have been attached here with. Previously, what was? Previously, it was quite different. Not fixed with the background. Text box was not fixed. It is quite very bad to watch. That's why we need to, what we need to do for setting, go to shapes format and go to shapes effect, and then you have to go to 3D rotation and select this as per requirement isometric. Here, this one. This is quite better than previous. So this one. So here you can add any text. And for giving any text effect or whatever, you can select here, and others option is text. Text option is there. You can use color, fill color, everything can be changed as per your requirement. Fill color, outline color, text also can be affected with a lot of things are available. You can select multiple choice of options. Okay, this is the fact.